Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is a cake recipe, and it is a German chocolate cake. A lot of my subscribers are newlyweds, new to cooking. They don't know how to cook. They're learning how to cook, and I'm giving them the easy method out. Y'all professional pro cookers out there, God bless y'all soul. But what we're going to do is show the ones who do not know how to go in there and make a German chocolate cake. Hey, it's so easy. I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you can get you one of these. German chocolate cake ultra moist. I always get the best choice. I love the best choice because it's moist and it's never steaming wrong. Never. What you need to do in this is get 1 cup of buttermilk instead of the 1 cup of water. Use a half a cup of oil, maybe a little bit, maybe 3/4 instead of a half a cup, and give it extra moisture. And you can use a vanilla instant pudding to go in it, and it will make a perfect German chocolate cake. I already done this, and I have it right here, ready to go in a pan. Instead of me putting it in a pan with the layers on it, we're going to do it in a pie pan. Yes, we already got it greased, and we're going to put it in a pie pan. One of those big pie pans, those glass pie pans, because we're going to slice it, and this is something new to y'all until y'all get ready enough to go and get the pans and make it like layer up, you know. We're just going to make it easy right quick, just easy. And we're going to put this in the oven and let it bake until it's done. Then I'm going to show you how to make the German chocolate icing. Simple, easy. You'll be surprised. Be right back. All right, this is the very important part. It's the German chocolate icing. So we have a stick of butter in a cup of evaporated milk. It has to be evaporated milk. We're going to add our egg yolk, just like this, because we don't want that egg yolk to make a scrambled eggs. You know what I'm talking about? We're going to add a cup of sugar, just like that. We're going to get it all incorporated together. This is what we need to do. We need to get all this incorporated, and it's going to be about a good 10 minutes in order for it to get thicker. So that is our egg yolk, 3 egg yolks, 1. All right, it's beginning to get thick. See that? It's beginning to form up, y'all. So what's so keen about this, you got to make sure you're with it, because you don't want it to get away from you, because you can scorch it, and when you scorch it, it's just not no good no more. So you want to make sure you stir it, and we've been stirring for about maybe 8 minutes probably, and it's getting thick. Look at that, it's getting thick, y'all. Look at that. It's getting the way it's supposed to be. Just keep stirring it until it gets thick. Look at that. See how it's thick it's getting? Easy, easy, easy. It's so easy. All you have to do is just take your time and just go get some evaporated milk. That's a cup of sugar. I'm pretty sure you have sugar at home. Vanilla extract. Make sure it's pure vanilla. And you're going to need a cup of sugar, like I said, and 3 beaten eggs and a stick of butter. And stir it and babysit it just like this. Toast your pecans. If you like your pecans to be roasted, roast pecans. Now I got something else in the oven, so I need to put a time on it. You put, see, I think that's getting, oh, that's what you want. Look at that. We're not ready yet. We're not at the point where we want it to be thicker. We're just going to keep stirring it until we just get it to where we want it. You got to turn down so it won't get too away from us. See how thick that getting? Oh my goodness, that's your icing almost. So I got it in the subscription, so you can go to soulfoodqueen.net and get the recipe. I'm just trying to make a little time with y'all by telling you what to put in there. But you see what to do right now. So keep stirring and keep stirring until it gets thick. It's getting thicker now. Look at that. Getting thick. Look at that. Wow, that's going to be fantastic. And they're going to say, who baked the cake? Sally baked the cake. Sally baked the cake. She don't know how to bake a biscuit out the can. Well, she baked that German chocolate cake, and I'll tell you, it tastes good. It tastes just like she when he done it somewhere else about it. That's how people be talking about you, y'all. See how thick that's getting? But see, that lady on, when they come to you and say, how you make that cake? So that lady on soulfoodqueen.net took me by my hand and showed me how to do it. And I just went on and done it. Okay, it's getting thick, y'all. It's getting to the point where you can see, it tastes good too. Tastes delicious. Tastes delicious. When you see, take a spoon like that. It's almost ready. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. Okay, what we're going to do now you can add some more vanilla if you want to. Because sometimes vanilla cooks out. So we're just going to add a little tap more of vanilla. Just a tap more. And stir it up in there because sometimes vanilla can have the tendency to cook out while you're cooking. Okay, what we're going to do now is about ready, y'all. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. It's about ready, about ready, about ready. See? Not quite yet. Not quite. Not quite. Almost there. Almost there. Now, what we're going to do next is add our coconut. That's a cup of coconut. See how thick that's getting? You want it to be thick, don't you? You want it to be good, don't you? Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're just going to keep stirring because it's almost there, y'all. Almost. Just a little bit more. And we'll be right there with it, y'all. Just a little bit more. My sister Merlin, she makes the best German chocolate cake, and she passed away about 5 or 6 years ago. I miss that girl. She's gone to glory in a resting place. Okay, this is about ready now. Yeah, look how thick it's getting. We're going to do another one like that. It's ready, y'all. So we're going to add the coconut. And we're going to add the pecans. And that's it. That's the German chocolate cake icing right there, y'all. Right there. That's it. We're going to let it cook a little bit more. And we be through with it. Just let it cook a little bit more. Because the icing is ready. Look at the icing. It's ready. I'm going to turn it off. We're going to let our cake cool. And when our cake cool, we're going to top it with this. And this evening, you're going to have some German chocolate cake for your family. Okay, we're just going to let this cook for about a minute or two, and we'll be right back, okay? Our cake is cool, very cool, because I let it cool overnight because I didn't want to eat the cake later that evening. So I waited till the next morning to icing it. So it's moist, it smells beautiful, it smells good. It's a simple cake, and I'm dedicating this cake to my sister, Merlin Lawrence. She was a wonderful cook, a wonderful sister, a wonderful mother, and a wonderful friend. This is to my dedication to my sister who passed away. Okay, now what I did the icing. Now I did it this way. Now you can do 2 layers if you want, 2 layers. And with the 2 layers, you could just put icing in the middle and then icing at the top. And you put chocolate around it. A regular chocolate icing would be good to go on the sides. But we're going to do the whole icing just like this. Let's see how beautiful the icing you made. You see that beautiful icing you made there? Look at that. That coconut icing. And make sure that your cake is not hot. No, you cannot have your cake hot. Make sure that your cake is completely cool. And your icing is completely cool. Just like this. I'm tapping it around just like that. Now this cake is for the beginners, the ones who don't know how to make a simple, little easy German chocolate cake. You came to the right place. Sandra going to show you how to do it. All right, this is the end result of our German chocolate cake, y'all. And you made it. Hey, this is an easy cake. Easy. It's a very tedious cake. But you made it, and you made the task less so challengeable. Yes, indeed. This chocolate, look at that. You can look at this cake and know that it's good. Look at that, y'all. You can look at it. I did a slice right here, and look at the slice. It's not dry. It's beautiful. It tastes good. It is a German chocolate cake made easy. I want to dedicate this cake again to my sister Marilyn. I know hers is fabulous, but I'm just teaching us how to do one, how to get to the point to making a wonderful, beautiful cake. And like I said, you can make 2 layers with the Ultra Moist Best Choice German Chocolate Cake Mix. You just have to double it and make a tall one. You're just in this little stage right now of steps by steps. So now you can conquer and make your 2 layers. Get your regular cake pan and do 2 layers. Put the German chocolate ice in the middle and put the German chocolate ice at the top. And you can cover it around with chocolate if you like. Yes, indeed. This channel will tell you happy eating. You see that right there, that red thing right there? I'm going to put that cake in this Tupperware pan because I'm not going to eat all this. Put it in the refrigerator and it's going to be perfect for at least a week, at least 7 days. Okay, this is channel will tell you happy eating, but I want you to look at that cake. Look at that. Look at that. If I can get it focused. That is moist and delicious. Your first German chocolate cake. Look at that. Ooh, look at that. You just made that German chocolate cake. This is Saturday. I want to tell you happy eating and get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net. And I'll show you how to do it the easy way. And you come out with this success. Saturday. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you so very much for coming to my channel.